Installing bow windows is an exciting way to enhance your home's style, natural light, and overall living experience. For homeowners in Eagle, where beautiful surroundings and well-designed homes are highly valued, bow windows can be a standout feature. However, before moving forward with installation, there are several important factors to consider to ensure you get the best results. Bow windows are made up of 4 or more panels that curve outward from your home, creating a rounded appearance. This design adds depth to your exterior and creates additional space inside. While they offer many benefits, their unique structure means they require careful planning and professional installation. One of the first things to consider is placement. Bow windows are often installed in living rooms or front-facing areas where they can serve as a focal point. Think about where you want to maximize natural light and views. In Eagle, many homeowners choose locations that highlight outdoor scenery, allowing the window to frame the landscape beautifully. Structural support is another key factor. Because bow windows extend outward, they place additional weight and stress on your home's exterior wall. Proper support is essential to prevent sagging or long-term damage. This is why working with experienced professionals is so important. They will assess your home's structure and ensure the installation is secure and properly reinforced. Energy efficiency should also be a top priority. Modern bow windows are designed with insulated glass and advanced sealing techniques, but their performance depends heavily on proper installation. In Eagle, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, well-installed bow windows help maintain indoor comfort by reducing drafts and minimizing heat transfer. This can lead to lower energy bills and a more consistent indoor environment. Another important consideration is ventilation. Not all panels in a bow window open, so it's important to decide whether you want operable sections included. Adding windows that open can improve airflow and make your space more comfortable, especially during mild weather. Discuss your preferences with your installer to create a design that balances beauty and functionality. Interior space is one of the most appealing features of bow windows. The outward curve creates a cozy nook that can be used in many ways. Before installation, think about how you want to use this space. Whether it's a reading corner, additional seating, or a decorative display area, planning ahead helps you make the most of this added square footage. Exterior aesthetics are equally important. Bow windows significantly change the look of your home, so it's essential to choose a design that complements your existing architecture. Consider frame colors, finishes, and grille patterns that match your home's style. In Eagle neighborhoods, where homes often reflect a strong sense of design, a well-matched bow window can enhance curb appeal and make your property stand out. Maintenance is another factor to keep in mind. While modern bow windows are built with durable materials, they still require occasional cleaning and care. Because of their size and shape, some panels may be harder to reach. Choosing materials that are easy to maintain can help keep your windows looking their best with minimal effort. Budget planning is also essential. Bow windows are typically a larger investment than standard windows due to their size, design, and installation requirements. However, they also add significant value to your home. Understanding the full cost, including materials, installation, and any structural adjustments, helps you make an informed decision. Timing and installation conditions should also be considered. Weather can impact the installation process, so scheduling your project during a favorable time of year can help ensure everything goes smoothly. Professional installers will work efficiently, but being prepared for minor disruptions during installation can make the experience less stressful. Finally, choosing the right installation team is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Proper installation affects everything from energy efficiency to long-term durability. Experienced professionals will ensure your bow windows are securely installed, properly sealed, and aligned for optimal performance. For homeowners in Eagle, bow windows offer a beautiful way to enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. By understanding what to expect and planning carefully, you can enjoy all the benefits they provide, from increased natural light and added space to improved curb appeal and value. With the right preparation and expert guidance, your bow window installation can be a smooth and rewarding upgrade that you'll enjoy for years to come.